Hi, my name is Rachel Atwood, and I'm going to be talking about creating a smoke-free campus at Vermont Technical College's Williston campus. A quick outline of the project is a summary, issues related to the current policy, project overview, equipment, personnel, and budget. So Vermont Technical College Williston campus has drawn in many students not only due to the wide range of courses it has to offer, but also due to its inviting campus. In fact, approximately 500 students attend the Williston campus in just the 2013 and 14 academic year, and nearly 50 students live on campus in the residential halls. However, the current campus houses a huge problem, one that condones smoking with only just a restriction of a 25-foot radius from any entrance. We are proposing a change in the current regulations regarding the smoking policy at Vermont Technical College's Williston campus. We anticipate not only an increase in positive outlook for the campus, but also student and staff satisfaction. Many colleges throughout Vermont and the United States as a whole are still condoning a smoke-free environment. However, smoking on Vermont Technical College's ground not only gives the campus a negative look, but also increases the amount of litter on campus. Ramifications to the current policy include increased health risks, a negative outlook for the allied health campus, and an increase in the amount of litter on campus. Increased risks of health issues include the negative effects of smoking. So smoking harms nearly every organ in the body. Smoking causes many diseases and reduces the health of smokers in general. Furthermore, the adverse health effects from cigarette smoking account for more than 440,000 deaths, or nearly 1 every 5 deaths in the United States alone. According to the Center for Disease Control, adverse health effects not only to first-hand smoke, but also people who experience the second-hand smoke, including the risk of coronary artery disease by 2 to 4 times, stroke by 2 to 4 times, men developing lung cancer by 23 times, women developing lung cancer by 13 times, and dying from chronic obstructive lung disease, such as chronic bronchitis or emphysema, by up to 12 to 13 times, as well as numerous other health effects relating to the adverse reproduction, childhood effects, large range of cancers, respiratory illnesses, and cardiovascular illnesses. Littering on campus. What is littering? So research and experience have shown that littering is a result of individual behavior. Littering or choosing to carelessly manage waste not only causes many environmental issues, but it also has responsible for costly cleanup, nearly costing the United States approximately $11.5 billion each year. Cigarette butts alone are the second most common littered item in the United States, accounting for 29.8% of total litter. Vermont Technical College is commonly known for its environmental friendly campuses. Both campuses together house a wide range of eco-friendly characteristics, such as compost receptors, recycled materials for the buildings on campus, and solar panels for power. By continuing to litter on campus, Vermont Technical College is taking a step back from an eco-friendly college to a source of environmental destruction. Negative outlook on the allied health campus. So Vermont Technical College's Williston campus holds the general title of being an allied health campus. Some of the degrees offered mainly at the Williston campus include dental hygiene, respiratory therapy, and nursing. And furthermore, according to the college's website, the Vermont State College recognizes that engaged, healthy employees contribute to the success of our community. The Vermont State College Wellness Initiative seeks to increase employee awareness and knowledge to promote health and well-being. This will be achieved by engaging employees and retirees in creating a community climate that supports good health practices, connecting employees and their families to health-related resources, and encouraging and promoting well-being as an ongoing process involving all living aspects of our lives. Smoking not only creates adverse health effects, as mentioned previously, but is extremely viewed as a negative connotation. By allowing healthcare providers to advocate such a dangerous habit, Vermont Technical College appears to be taking a step back rather than taking a step forward. Furthermore, according to Americans Non-Smokers' Rights Foundation, there are now at least 1,178 100% free smoke campuses with no exemptions. Residential housing facilities are included, and where they exist of these, 793 have 100% tobacco-free policy. So project overview, how are we going to change the current policy? The best way to creating a smoke-free environment is to create numerous regulations involving the smoking on campus policy currently housed at Vermont Tech. This includes making minor adjustments to current policies, removing smoke-friendly receptacles, appointing administrators who will be responsible for defining and implementing such policy, creating personnel to enforce the new policies, training these personnel, and holding informational presentations that encourage students and staff not to smoke on campus. So the equipment, so first we'd have to remove the old equipment. So equipment vital in the success of new smoking includes the removal of the current equipment that allows and encourages smoking on campus. Additionally, posters and signs will be necessary to inform Vermont Technical attendees that the new policy has been changed, as well as consequential results if the policy is not being followed. By removing the old equipment and designating smoking areas, this new smoke-free campus will be able to help inform students that the campus is smoke-free, decrease littering around smoke receptacles, which will no longer be there, decrease loitering smoking habits, decrease daily labor put into cleaning and removal of the cigarette butts, and help increase the outlook on the Allied Health campus. It may also help to decrease exposure to secondhand smoke on campus, so the removal of the current smoke-friendly receptacle is one of the first and major steps in decreasing the littering on campus as well, decreasing harmful effects of smoking and decreasing the negative outlook on the campus altogether. Other equipment important in the implementation of the success of the smoke-free campus includes designing and placement of friendly reminder posters to tell attendees that the campus is now smoke-free. For personnel, we have a wide range of personnel important in putting the smoke-free environment at Vermont Technical College's Wilson campus into play. So we have an administrator, so their responsibility include defining a policy, implementing the policy, transferring the knowledge to the director and administrators. The project director would have the responsibilities of meeting and conversing with the administrator, conducting and training sessions including overview of new policies, ordering product supplements and the removal of the old equipment, overseeing violators as well as the consequences and the fines associated with that, servicing the resource of advocates and active personnel, so finding people who could be general advocates for the new policy. We also have a trainer presenter, so they would be responsible for going to the training sessions, reading the policy, and presenting the current issues to the campus, including the negative effects of smoking, training and education of the active personnel. And then we also have general advocates, so active personnel, the people who would be stopping people from smoking on campus. So we have that their responsibilities would be to attend the training sessions, read the policy, monitor the campus site, and implementing the fines and reports of incidents if they're being broken. For a quick budget of the new policy, the initial cost to implement a smoke-free campus is approximately $1,000, which would include the removal of current equipment, creating informational flyers, and training costs. So as you can see on the chart, we have that $150 initially be put into removal of the current smoking equipment, and then training staff would take another $200 approximately, another $600 to pay the staff for implementing such policy, and $50 to print and design informational advertising, so the friendly reminders. So for conclusion, there are serious consequences of smoking on campus, and its effects are not only on the attendees' experience and college outlook, but most importantly on their lives. We are advocating on behalf of the students, faculty, and the associates of Vermont Technical College of Wilson campus. We are looking forward for any questions. Thanks.